Hi, I'm Liz, and this is my new stand-up paddle board. Thank you to the brand for sending this to me. I have wanted one of the inflatable boards for a long time, and this one is so pretty. So you'll notice as we get started here, pulling all of the equipment out, it comes with literally everything you can need, including like a waterproof bag for when you're on the board. It just really, it wowed me when I opened the box. So you'll see first here, we've got the pump, we've got the paddle. Next we have coming out the fin, which I was initially like, oh, I hope this will attach well, but it does. It goes right onto the board. And then here you'll see we are bringing out the actual board. So I've never used a blow up board before, so I was a little nervous about if I could actually get it blown up enough to sit on and feel good about. It also comes with this waterproof bag. I've looked at these in board shops, like when we've been going out in the Keys and stuff, and this is such a good deal that it comes with this set. It also comes with your ankle leash in case you fall off. You can use that to keep up with the board so it doesn't float away. It comes with the holder for your phone as well as for other keys, and a carrying strap for the bag that carries the entire paddleboard. So you'll see here, we took our time, we blew up the board. I turned it into a time lapse here for you so that you didn't have to sit through us pumping it up. It is really very easy to do. It does take a couple minutes. You can see this board is 10.5 feet by 32 inches by 6 inches. It's incredibly stable and super easy to put together here. So if you're looking for an inflatable stand-up board, I highly recommend this one as it comes with everything and it's super easy to put together.